Express 0.20 in the form of PQ. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to write 10. Here we have two digits, so we have to write 210 as multiplication, of course. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? Look, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common number, which is called factor. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. If you divide this 20 by 2, I will get 10. And if I divide this 10 by 2, I will get 5. Again, this 10 is divisible by 2, this 10 is divisible by 2, this 10 is also divisible by 2. uh, to do it one step, look, this is divisible by 10, you'll get 1, this is divisible by 10, you'll get 1, so you are getting 1 over 5 times 1, 5. The common factor between 1 and 5 is just 1, so if you divide 1 by 1, you'll get 1. If you divide this 5 by 1, you will get 5. So this is the lowest term.